Hello everyone, welcome back to Accountants Minds. In our previous lesson, we learned what statistics is and understood the basic meaning of statistics. Today, we're going to learn why statistics is important. Have you ever wondered how businesses decide what products to sell? Or how banks decide whether to approve a loan? Or how governments plan schools and hospitals? The answer is statistics. In this lesson, I'll explain everything in simple English with practical examples. So, let's begin. First, let's see what we're going to learn today. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to explain the importance of statistics, understand how it helps in decision-making, identify where statistics is used, and recognize its benefits through real-life examples. These concepts will help you understand why statistics is one of the most valuable subjects in business and everyday life. Now, let's answer the first question. Why is statistics important? Statistics is important because it helps us make decisions based on facts and data instead of guessing. Imagine you own a business. Would you decide what to sell just by guessing? Probably not. You would first look at your sales data, identify which products are popular, and then make a decision. That's exactly what statistics helps us do. It turns raw information into useful knowledge. One of the biggest advantages of statistics is that it helps us make better decisions. Let's see how. Every day, we make decisions. Some are simple, while others are very important. Statistics helps us make better decisions because it uses real data. For example, a school can analyze exam results to improve teaching. A company can study customer preferences before launching a new product. A doctor can analyze patient records before deciding on the best treatment. In every case, statistics helps people choose the best option. Now let's see how businesses use statistics every day. Businesses depend on statistics to succeed. They use it to analyze sales, understand customer preferences, forecast future demand, improve profits, and plan production. For example, imagine a supermarket notices that rice sells much more than pasta. Using this information, the supermarket orders more rice and less pasta. This reduces waste and increases profits. That is a practical use of statistics. Statistics is also very important in banks and financial institutions. Banks and financial institutions use statistics every day. Before approving a loan, a bank studies the customer's income, repayment history, and financial records. Statistics also helps investors analyze the stock market, measure financial risk, and predict future trends. Without statistics, financial decisions would be much more difficult. Let's now look at how statistics is used in education. Schools and universities also rely on statistics. Teachers use exam results to evaluate students' performance. Universities calculate average marks, pass rates, and graduation rates. These results help improve teaching methods and identify areas where students need more support. Statistics also plays a very important role in healthcare. Hospitals collect information every day. They record the number of patients, common illnesses, recovery rates, and treatment outcomes.com. By studying this information, doctors can improve treatments, and hospitals can provide better healthcare services. Statistics even helps researchers develop new medicines and vaccines. Now let's see how governments use statistics. Governments collect a lot of data about the country. They conduct population censuses, study employment levels, monitor inflation, and plan education and healthcare services. For example, if a city has many school-aged children, the government can decide to build more schools there. Statistics helps governments make better plans for the future. Statistics is not only useful in business and government, it is also widely used in sports. Today, almost every sports team uses statistics. Coaches analyze player performance, compare teams, study match results, and improve strategies. For example, in cricket, batting averages and bowling averages help coaches select the best players. Statistics helps teams perform better. Let's look at one complete real-life example. Imagine you own a clothing store. Every month, you record the sales of shirts, trousers, jackets, and shoes. After analyzing the data, you discover that shirts are your best-selling product, while jackets sell the least. Based on this information, you decide to order more shirts and fewer jackets. This decision increases your profits because it is based on real data, not guesswork. This is exactly how statistics helps businesses. From this example, we can clearly see many benefits of statistics. Statistics provides many benefits. It supports better decision-making, saves time, reduces uncertainty, helps solve problems, improves planning, identifies trends, and even predicts future outcomes. These benefits make statistics valuable in almost every profession. Before we finish, let's correct some common misunderstandings about statistics. Some people think statistics is only for mathematicians. Others believe it is only about calculations or research. But but that's not true. Statistics is used by business owners, doctors, teachers, engineers, researchers, governments, and even sports coaches. Anyone who works with data can benefit from statistics. Now, let's quickly review today's lesson. Today, we learned that statistics helps us make better decisions using data. We also learned that statistics is used in business, banking, education, healthcare, government, and sports. Most importantly, statistics helps us understand information and plan for the future. Finally, let's summarize everything we've learned today. Today we learned why statistics is important and how it helps people make better decisions. We explored its applications in business, finance, education, healthcare, government, and sports. We also saw that statistics is much more than numbers. It is a powerful tool for solving real-world problems. Thank you for watching this lesson on Accountants Minds. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. In our next lesson, we'll learn branches of statistics, descriptive statistics, and inferential statistics with simple explanations and practical examples. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.